viewers. This is Music Max, and I want to know, well, not really. Do you guys want to know the best game to play in the exact world? On iTunes, that's free. Minecraft Live. Coolest game ever. You're gonna get addicted. It's so cool. You can make buildings. You can do anything on it. Whoa, it's just so cool. And if you get too addicted, you buy the thing $5. I don't even want to buy that, but I mean, YouTube viewers, it's a cool game. But before you buy any games, before you get any games that you think is cool, get Minecraft Live. Best